Hey there! So today I've decided to do some work on the van. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do. There's a million things that I could do. So to start having some ideas, I'm gonna clean up and go with the flow. The first thing you want to do when you purchase a second-hand van is to clean it up completely, so it helps you to see and your imagination starts work and you can start figuring out where to put things and you can become actually creative. We'll see how it goes.
I feel like I stepped up the wrong side of the bed.
So for starters, I wanted to have a look at the air conditioning to see if we can remove it and put it back. There was a very stupid idea because you don't want to touch that. So the only choice I have is really to work around it.
Just be happy with your mind.
One of the important things at this stage is don't trash anything. I have no idea when and if I'm gonna need it, but I better keep everything in case I will find a use for it.
Is that up and down, we'll naturally go.
So you see this? If the spanner ends up in there, it's gonna be a pain in the ass to pick it out. Use something like a rubber band. So in case it falls, it'll be safe. I took off this panel to find out what was behind it. So at this point I found out stuff worth keeping in mind. This one is a wire, the intake of the fuel. There is an electric cable that will feed the backlight, the reverse light, the indicators. There is the tank for the wipers detergent. I'm making up names, okay? And this is about it. So we want to keep this in mind as we move on with our design. In case any repairs is needed, we can get into there, unscrewing a few screws.
To that little voice I have inside.
So this little panel, you want to keep them and label them. You're not going to use it, but you're going to use the shape and basically copy it on a piece of plywood. It's going to look way better.
When I'm blessed to have a friend to talk to.
This is gonna be my best mate for this old conversion. I was hunching all the time, so I can't completely stand on anything. And as soon as I started using that, it was a great improvement. And if you have vehicles and it's very hard to stand properly, just get a chair and use it for the entire project.
When I fall with grace, even when I fall on my face.
While taking things apart, you will find a lot of screws of different size. You might get confused and don't know where they go at the end. Label everything and then put it back.